There we go. That helps with readability. Good. Now what I'd like to do is duplicate this track. So I see that I currently have one set. Let's right-click on that, and we will add another track below, and this time set it to the subtitle option and click OK. Now I can select all of these and just Alt or Option drag, snap them into place. Looks like we're just a little off, so I'll drag that down. Let's just lasso those. And nudge them into place. Good. And here, these are set to the subtitle format. Notice that this turns it off, and we have two sets of different styles here. This gives me the ability to modify this one. Subtitles give you more choices. Here, I can actually adjust the visual appearance, such as the font size, and add or remove the background color. We can also explore options here, such as the drop shadow. We're just checking for readability. We're making them larger so that they're more readable on the web. Now, you can make any small edits here for refinement. As well as insert line breaks as needed. There we go.